Welcome to my channel 9freeinfinityjobs.com. Chhattisgarh Higher Education Recruitment 2023. Apply for 880 vacancies at highereducation.cg.gov.in. Chhattisgarh Higher Education Department has invited applications from eligible candidates for recruitment to various posts such as Laboratory Attendant, Servant, Watchman, and Sweeper. Candidates who are interested can visit the official website at highereducation.cg.gov.in to apply online for these posts. The last date to submit the application form is November 10, 2023. Applicants are advised to not wait until the last days to apply online if they wish to apply for recruitment. Then they must fill out and submit the application as soon as possible in order to avoid any last-minute issues like server down and website crash. After the successful submission of the applications online, applicants will be able to modify or make corrections to their application forms between November 11 to November 15, 2023. Candidates can refer to the below given step-by-step process to register and apply online for the above-mentioned vacancies. A direct link to apply online for the same is also shared below in the article for candidates. Reference: How to apply for CG Higher Education Recruitment 2023. Step 1. Visit the official website at highereducation.cg.gov.in. Step 2. On the homepage, click on the link available for the recruitment of these posts. Step 3. Register by submitting your essential contact details. Step 4. Access the application form with your created username and password. Step 5. Fill out the application form with all the required details. Step 6. Upload the necessary documents as AX. Step 7. Make the payment of the application fee and submit your application. Step 8. Download the confirmation page and get its printout for further use. Vacancy details. This recruitment drive is being conducted to fill up a total of 880 vacancies, of which 430 vacancies are for laboratory attendants, 210 vacancies each for servant and sweeper posts, and 30 vacancies are for sweeper posts. Age limit. The minimum age requirement is 18 years. And the maximum age of the candidate should not exceed 40 years of age. For additional information and details, candidates are advised to check out the official website or the notification available on the website. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.